Okay, fellas, this is my 1966 Chevy Nova Pro Street. It's another AMT kit. I saw a Nova online similar to this that I liked, so I thought I'd try and replicate it by murdering everything out. Kind of like the gray look with everything darkened out. This kit, I had a lot of trouble with the paint, so I ended up going with all Rust-Oleum paint. After I prepped the body, I primed it with a flat gray Rust-Oleum 2X paint. Everything I use is a 2X. And then I sprayed it with a winter gloss top coat. And then I cleared it with Rust-Oleum's clear gloss. And then I wet sanded just a little bit, and then I polished it out using Novus, some of the Novus products, and Meguiar's polish. It came out pretty good. I really like the look of the 66 and 67 Novas. They look pretty cool. I didn't put the wheelie bars on this one. I left them off. I thought this would kind of resemble some old boys on the street racing, and thought the wheelie bars might draw attention to the cops, so left them off. And let's see if I can get the hood off, and we'll take a look at the engine. Okay, let me get my camera over here. Here's a look at the engine in the engine bay. The master cylinder that came with this kit, I had it in there, and then I don't know what happened. It came up missing, so I had to try and make one out of part of the tree, and I guess it came out okay. Overall, though, I think the kit came out pretty good. I'm pleased with it. There's a little bit of the interior in here. You can see in there, I didn't do a whole lot of detailing, just like you'd see in a 66 Nova, black bucket seats, and that's about it. This was a really nice kit to put together. I enjoyed it. So I'm learning with each one, so I'm going to move on to the next one, and this one's finished and I enjoyed it.